So this is question number 24, the last question, and it wants us to find all of this stuff: domain, range, intercepts, asymptotes, increasing or decreasing. And so a few basic things that we can already tell just by looking at this graph. We know we have our normal e to the x graph looks like this, right? But not only is our e to the x negated, which means we're going to flip it about the y-axis, but also our negative, we've got a negative in the exponent, which means that's also going to flip. So this is going to flip here and also here. So it should be, and then shift up 2. So it's going to look something like, first we're going to rotate here and then rotate down. So it's going to look like that, something like that. Or, and it's going to shift 1 to the right, so it's going to look something like that. So that's our graph, our basic graph. And we want to find its domain, range, intercept. So our domain is what values we can have for x. And in this equation, we can plug any value in for x. It's okay. So our domain is going to be from negative infinity to positive infinity. Our range, however, as this approaches positive infinity, it's going to be 1 over e to the infinity, which goes to 0, so it's going to be 2 minus 0. So our range is from negative infinity to 2. Our intercepts, so when x is 0, we get 2 minus e, and when y is 0, so that's our, when x is 0, that's our y-intercept. It's equal to 2 minus e, and then when we set this equal to 0, we get 0 is equal to 2 minus e to negative x plus 1. So we subtract 2 and divide by a negative, so we get 2 is equal to e to the negative x plus 1. Take the ln of both sides, so you get the ln of 2 is equal to negative x plus 1. And you subtract 1, so you get ln of 2 minus 1 is equal to negative x. And then you divide through by negative, so you get 1 minus ln of 2 is equal to x. That's your x-intercept. So, and then your asymptote is where we don't have any vertical asymptotes here, so we just have a horizontal asymptote, which we already figured out is at 2, which is equal to y. And then the question is this function increasing or decreasing? Well, we can look at my basic graph and we know that it is increasing. So there you have it. There's your review.